Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching, and thanks to the new subscribers. All are appreciated. Thumbs up are appreciated. Today I'm going to make a drink called the Black Tot Punch. Comes in around 24% ABV. So let's get started. Calls for 3 Black Tot rum. It's very good rum. I like it. And 1.5 orange juice. I'm sorry, that was a 2 pour. Get the full 3. And I've got these Cara Cara oranges here. Needed to use up before they go bad, so that's why I'm making this drink. And 1.5 Cara Cara orange juice from Brazil. And 1/2 cinnamon syrup. I just made this evaporated cane and cinnamon and water. 1/2. And 1/2 lime juice. And 1/2 I'm going to use this Amaro Ramazzotti. Put a little bitterness in it. Alright, I'm going to use this goblet to receive it. Whip this up, a couple of cubes, bottom. Give it about 30 shakes. Alright, looks like we just pour the whole thing in there. The ice has dissolved. And a straw. Let's give this a try with this rum. Oh, very good. Rum comes through. The Amaros in there. The main linger is the cinnamon. Great drink. If you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. And we'll see you next time.